Welcome to eLearn with Technology. To begin with, here's an illustration. A candidate who had applied for a government job was selected in the preliminary rounds, but later denied the post. The candidate wants information about the criteria for selection and the status of application. Now, how can he procure this information? So, here's RTI, or Right to Information. RTI is the right to information accessible under the RTI Act 2005, which is held by or under the control of any public authority. Public authority means an authority established under the law or controlled or substantially financed by the appropriate government. Here is some information that you may want to access under the RTI, such as inspect records of work, obtain certified copies, get samples and models, statistical data, electronic records, and the like. Some information that is not accessible under the RTI is provided under Section 8 of the Act. And they are disclosure that harms national security, relations with foreign states, disclosure that cause breach of privilege of Parliament, intellectual property and trade secrets, etc. The RTI designates two types of officials for receiving and processing RTI applications. One, the Public Information Officer, names of whom are prominently displayed on notice boards of the respective offices and their websites, and Assistant Public Information Officer at the sub-district or subdivisional levels to forward applications to the relevant PIO at higher levels. The fees for filing RTI application is 10 rupees, and for applicants below poverty line there is no fee. So here's how you file your RTI application. First, consider your problem and frame your questions. Identify the department you want to approach. Draft your application. Submit along with fees to the PIO or APIO. The PIO may accept or reject the application within 30 days. If information relates to life or liberty of a person, information should be provided within 48 hours, and on receipt of information, process is complete. To file an application online, log on to rtionline.gov.in. First-time users may either sign up or simply go to Submit Request. Registered users sign in and submit RTI application through Submit Request. There are a set of guidelines you need to read and click on the checkbox before you proceed. The RTI request form is displayed, and if under BPL, submit your BPL card certificate. After filing all the details, click on Make Payment. As mentioned earlier, BPL card holders are exempt from payment. You can make a payment of ₹10 through internet banking or credit card, debit card, etc. On submission of the application, you get a unique registration number. Applicants also get an email or SMS alert if you have provided details in the application. Finally, your RTI request is filed successfully. A non-resident Indian can also file for RTI under the Act. Here, you need to make a payment through IPO, that is Electronic India Post. Take a print of the e-postal order, submit application online through the RTI online portal, attach e-postal order, and your submission is complete. You may also want to file for an appeal for reasons such as PIO without reason refuses to receive your application or has not furnished information within time, or knowingly gives incomplete or incorrect information, or even destroys information which is the subject of your request. And here's how you appeal. At the first instance, you appeal to the appellate authority or even directly to the Information Commission at the central or state government if there's a need to impose penalty. If not satisfied with the first appeal at the appellate authority, you may even make a second appeal to the Information Commission. And if not satisfied with both stages of appeal, you may even move the High Court through a writ petition and subsequently to the Supreme Court for appeal. Finally, here's some penalty provision for Pios not complying with the RTI Act, which is Rs 250 for each day till the application is received or information is provided, and which may even go up to Rs 25,000. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe.